Hey, what's up? We're gonna take a look at Modern Strike and how it runs on a Chromebook, Lenovo Flex 5, 13-inch. So yeah, let's take a look how it runs. So yeah, it took a while to update this too. So let's see, like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Braces. Sorry, my teeth are rubber band together. This is pretty nice. There's not ads. There's no ads. Or there's not many ads. If there's even ads, I don't know yet. So yeah. It's not that big a download, but yeah. This is an online game. On this, like, it is running online, so yeah, let's take a look at this. So yeah, battle. Let's see, searching for random game. Lost Temple. I did lower the graphics on this to run better. There are frame rate misses on this, so it is a little slow. So yeah. It is touchscreen, so I don't think, yeah, keyboard doesn't work, which is annoying, so at least you can somewhat see it. So touchscreen, blah blah blah. And there's this frame right there, ping. I am lagging, which is crazy, which is annoying. So reload, and there's someone down there. And they're gone.
Target detected.
So let's go up front. Oh, let's knife them. Knife. And dead. Let's go knife again. Because why not? It's just a game. I don't even know this map, so. I hate touchscreen.
Target detected.
Oy! So close, so annoying. I wish it was keyboard and mouse. This is so hard.
Target detected.
What? I missed. Ooh, almost got another one. Touchscreen is so hard to play.
Tango in my sight. Tango in
wonder if I could heal. That'd be cool now. Ooh. So yeah, it's looking good. This is running well. There's actually no ads yet, which is cool.
Target detected.
Why is it easier with a sniper? It's like one hit. That's just sad.
I have contact. I have contact.
And then you can throw a grenade somehow. Let's see.
Tango in my sight.
Voila, there it is. Modern Strike, at least, is the game you could actually play on touchscreen. So yeah, there it is running on touchscreen. It is annoying that it's laptop mode. I wonder if it even works in display mode. So yeah, lobby. Let's see if it runs in tablet mode. So let's see if it runs in tablet mode. So yeah, it looks like it does run. Let's see if the battle even works. Let's see if I can run a short battle. Maybe a quarter of a game or something. Here are the vents. One vent. I think the fan's only on one side. Yeah, it looks like there's a balloon pulling on that side. So yeah, let's see if it runs. Looks like it runs a lot nicer that way.
I have contact. Hold on.
Yeah, it lags. Eesh. Or maybe it's the internet.
Tango in my sight.
Knifing.
Target detected.
It's nice how the map works. Ooh. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And what's this game again? Modern Strike does work on it. So yeah, I don't really play this game. I don't think Diablo works. I can get it to run, and then it does crash. Let's see. I can shut this off. I'll show you. It like doesn't even load. So let's see. The other game that does not run is that's not even in this mode. There it is. That one, Genshin Impact. It doesn't run. So let's see if Diablo will work. I don't even think it works in tablet mode. So yeah, let's see if it even loads. Like it just freezes. Preparing, updating, and I don't know what it does. Starting game. Maybe I get it to load in this time, so I don't really know. Probably not, because it's always been like stuck on this. So yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.